It's time to talk about the new Snapchat update. We all know Snapchat is easily becoming the most popular application on any smartphone, whether you are using an iPhone or an Android. With over 170 million users on a daily basis, Snapchat has become a part of all our lives. Somehow, someway, we are all connected to each other through our phones. There are several reasons why Snapchat is worth over $20 billion, and it doesn't even cost a single cent. Back in 2011, a Stanford University student by the name of Reggie Brown had a groundbreaking idea to create an application that allows pictures to disappear after sharing them. Without any coding or business knowledge, Reggie shared his idea with another Stanford student by the name of Evan Spiegel, whom quickly agreed to become partners. The two students then asked Bobby Murphy for help, whom was known all around school for his extensive coding skills. The trio quickly began working diligently on the new venture, and in July of 2011 launched their application called Peekaboo. Surprisingly, Bobby along with Evan decided Reggie brought no creativity to the company, and it was time to kick him out. 3 months later, the app was relaunched as Snapchat, and the world was never the same. In 2012, just a year after its release, users were sharing over 20 million photos per day. Seeing the potential, Snapchat introduced a revolutionary feature called My Story, allowing users to share their photos without a time limit. Taking a step in the right direction, Snapchat once again continued improving the experience of the app. Competitors in the market began to take notice, and in 2014 Facebook offered $3 billion to buy the application, but Snapchat declined and launched its most powerful feature to date: geo-motherfucking filters. With over 150 million users on a monthly basis, Snapchat knew they were here to stay. Looking for ways to partner with large brands, in 2015 the Discover page was first introduced, where users got a chance to watch content from the world's biggest publishers. To everyone's surprise, the Discover page is watched by over 100 million people every single day. Not planning on slowing down in the innovation department, Snapchat brought yet another groundbreaking feature for its users called face detection. And just when things could not get any better, the company released an update in 2017 making it possible to send snaps with unlimited viewing time. Finally, the world seemed perfect. Then 2018 happened, and Snapchat decided to release a new update. No longer could users visit the story page to view their friends' updates, which were neatly organized for everyone. The new version came with an endless, never-ending Discover page that people could scroll for days. Unlike the old Snapchat where only the highest quality content made it on the Discovery section. And the worst part of all, what really made Snapchat special was its user-friendliness, which no longer exists in the new version. Thanks for watching your boy Alfred, and please don't forget to subscribe to my gaming channel.
I just wanna get that money. I just wanna get that money, flip that money. I just wanna stack them